Which are the best Kraken withdrawal methods? If you're anything like me, at some point you've stared at your Kraken balance and thought, okay, how do I actually get this money out, affordably and quickly? Because let's be honest, those fees and waiting times can be confusing. After using Kraken for a while, I've found that the best method really depends on two things. Are you withdrawing fiat currency, like USD, Euro, or GBP, or cryptocurrency? Money with Wings fiat currency withdrawals. For cash withdrawals to your bank, the goal is always low fees and fast processing. Kraken offers different options based on your location. For US dollars, USD. ACH, automated clearinghouse. In my experience, this is often the best default option. It's usually free and processes within 0 to 2 business days. The trade-off is the occasional 72-hour withdrawal hold if you recently deposited funds using a card or PayPal. Fedwire, this is your fastest option, typically processing in 0 to 1 business day. It usually comes with a small flat fee, around $4, which is still very reasonable for the speed. For euros, Euro. SEPA/SEPA Instant, if you're in the SEPA zone, this is the hands-down winner. It's free and can often be near instant, or at least within 0 to 3 business days. I always choose a SEPA Instant provider when available. For British pounds, GBP. FPS, faster payment service similar to SEPA, this is the preferred method for the UK. It's typically near instant and the fee is usually low, often around £1.95 or sometimes even free depending on the provider Kraken uses. Key takeaway for fiat, always check the methods available for your specific currency on the Kraken funding page. Look for methods labeled as instant or with low/0 fees like ACH or SEPA/FPS. Link cryptocurrency withdrawals. When moving crypto off Kraken to an external wallet, your primary concern is the network fee, which is paid to the blockchain, not Kraken. Network choice is crucial. The most important thing here is selecting the right network. For example, if I'm withdrawing Ethereum, I always check the network options. Withdrawing on the native Ethereum mainnet, or ERC20, can be expensive. Always look for alternative, lower fee networks that Kraken supports for that specific coin. Lightning Network, for Bitcoin withdrawals, the Lightning Network is a game changer. It's a layer 2 solution that makes Bitcoin transfers nearly instant and dirt cheap compared to a standard on-chain Bitcoin withdrawal. If I'm sending a small to medium amount of BTC, I always use Lightning if the receiving wallet supports it. Stablecoins, USDC/USDT. If I need to move value quickly with minimal fees, I often use a stablecoin on a cheaper network. For example, withdrawing USDC on a low-cost network like Solana or Polygon, rather than the high-fee Ethereum mainnet, can save me significant money. The crypto process in short. Navigate to withdraw. Select the asset, e.g., Bitcoin, Ethereum. Crucially, select the network, look for the cheapest, fastest option that your receiving wallet supports. Enter your whitelist address and the amount. It's a straightforward process, but that network choice makes all the difference in cost and time. Remember, always double-check your address and network before hitting confirm, because a mistake there means a permanent loss of funds. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.